Hey everyone, this video is about how to reduce the image size on Adobe Photoshop. Now I am going to show you the two best ways to reduce size. First way, open Photoshop and choose the image you want to resize. Currently it's 4 megabytes. Then import the image. After imported, click File, click Save As and renamed as One Way and click Save. Here you select the quality of image from 0 to 12. 12 was the highest quality. Here you can see the selected file size. Now I select these two files. It's medium 2 MB. Now its size reduced to 50/50. Okay, let's see. Click that. Yeah, the image size reduced to 2 megabytes from 4 megabytes. And also you can see the image quality looks as it is like original. Second way. Now I'm going to drag and drop the 2 megabytes image on Photoshop. Then click Image, Image Resize, and don't consider this file size. Here you can reduce 4 MB image to 40 KB too, and here you can change the width and height was automatically adjusted to the aspect ratio. Now I type 720 width and it's automatically choose 480 pixels as height. Then click OK. File, Save as, second way, then save. Now you can see the reduced image size was below 150 KB. Okay, let's see. Wow, still looks pretty good. Yeah, exactly, the image size was 130 KB and the image pixels also our preferred size. That's it. You successfully reduced the 4 MB size image to 100 KB image. Thanks for watching.